Alright, fit people, welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remy. This is day number 6. On day number 6 we are going to do cardio and core. Alright, and during the break I will show you the modified version of the exercise. If you're a beginner, don't do the advanced exercises, but if you're familiar with the exercises, you can do them. Alright, and actually guys, make sure you finish this workout if you want to know if these workouts are really short and effective. If it's your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and also leave me a comment about what you felt about these workouts. Coach Remy here, dedicated to getting you fit without you leaving your house. Let's do this. Day number 6. All right, let's start with the side to side step. $14 seconds to go. Wonderful. No break since we are starting. Let's pull, find the balance, and each time we pull on the knee, standing upright. All right, let's go. Butt kicks. All right. So next one, tuck knees, tuck jump. This is the modified version for beginners or people who have light injuries, who cannot do the advanced. Let's go. Do me a favor, finish the exercise. If you feel like it's too hard, just press the pause and then continue the exercise. When you have regained the strength. All right, next exercise, high knees. This is the modification. You just bring the knee high, slowly. Let's go. Beautiful. Next one, this is the modified version. Side step, and you also raise your arm. For medium to advanced, we're going to do windmill star jump. Or you can also do the regular jumping jacks. If this is too much, beautiful. Next one, burpee modification. Let's go. No push-up, just sprawl and a jump. Beautiful. Breathe. Next one, butt kicks. Let's go. Wonderful. Let's go down. Mountain climbers. Modified. Knee to elbow. Knee to elbow. Let's go. Core tight. Wonderful, guys. Next one, double crunch. So lie flat on the back. Modification, you can just come like this. All right. Go tight, and chin should always face upward to the ceiling. Wonderful. Next one, you lie down, one hand here next to you, this elbow goes to that knee. Go as high as you can. Beautiful. Let's go on the other side. Switch. Breathe. What a feeling, guys. What a great feeling. Did you know that every time you work out and feel like your heart is going to go out, that's how you improve the time you can spend at high intensity. Beautiful. Next exercise, you put your hands below your buttocks, you extend, you bring them, and then heels to heaven. It's enough to just lift your buttocks from the ground. Go tight. Yes, guys, beautiful. Come up. Now, put your palms together. You touch this side, you go to the other side. Let's go. Each time you touch down, you exhale. You inhale once you're coming, you're starting to go to the other side. Wonderful. Let's go to plank, but this is plank with hip dip. This side touch the other side. All right, elbow plank, go tight, control the hip dip. Beautiful. Now we go to walking plank. So if you're a beginner, you can do it on the knees. Make sure your back is not like this, your butt. Alright, let's finish strong. And each time switch the hand that comes up first. Go tight. Wonderful, guys. Wow. Wow. This is magical. This is why we work out, guys. Heart rate is up. And yeah. So guys, that was it for day number 6, cardio and core. See you tomorrow on day number 7.